Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to Museum of the Future. So I went to Museum of the Future. It was on Eid. I didn't go inside, I just took some videos from the outside, but however I'm going to go back to take some videos from the inside because it's really nice. Oh, it was really nice to just see the buildings nearby because most of the times I always pass when I'm in metro.
Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true.
So this is a glimpse of what this whole thing looks like inside, and if you want to see how beautiful inside looks, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you won't miss the video because I'm going back there.
Damn, it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society.
I really struggle to take videos of myself. I had to ask some individuals to help me to take videos.
Silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo.
Coming back for you!
Standing in the ready, thought to pay phone. Just wanna break, no.
So thank you so much guys for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share and hit the notification bell.
The old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off.